Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this really cute tutorial and it is the mesh bow. I really love how this turned out and it's super easy, you guys. You guys know that I love to make beginner friendly tutorials and this one's actually easier than it looks. So let's get started. So here's the original one that I made, and I made this with a cotton blend yarn. I don't remember which one it was, but I know it was from Lion Brand. I don't think they have this yarn anymore, but I was just using scraps from a project that I never finished, so I thought it would be perfect for that. But you can use another similar yarn, another cotton yarn, or that's just a little, I don't know if it's a number 4. I think it's a little lighter than that. So for the tutorial today, I'll be using the um, Acacia yarn by Hobie Yarn, and it is a cotton and it is thin as well. So something like that will work. Okay, so you will need the yarn and an H hook. Here's mine. And I'm going to start by doing a slip knot like always. And for this pattern, I am doing an even number of chains, and this is going to be the width of our bow. So if you want it a little thinner, do less, but they have to be even numbers. So I'm chaining 14. Okay, so now we are going to double crochet on the 6th chain from the hook. Then we'll be chaining 1, skipping 1 chain, and then double crochet on the next. Alright, so now we're going to chain 1 and double crochet, chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet on that next stitch. And basically we're going to be repeating that all the way across. Chain 1, skip 1, and double crochet in the next. Alright, for the second um, round, we are going to chain 4, and that's gonna count as a double crochet and chain 1. So we're going to double crochet on that double crochet from the previous row on the top, chain 1, double crochet on that next double crochet from the previous row, and chain 1. So basically we're putting double crochets on top of each other. Chain 1, repeat the same. Okay, once you get to the last stitch, we chain 1, and then on the third chain 1, it's kind of hard to see that first. So 1, 2, 3 right there, we are going to place a double crochet. Alright guys, pretty simple, and you're going to be doing that same process until your project measures. I believe for the original one it was 40 inches long. But for this I only did 20, and I think it would be perfect for like a little kid's bow. But you just repeat row number 2 all the way across. And remember to always chain 1 and place the last double crochet on top of that chain 3 from the previous row. And that is how you make the mesh stitch, you guys. It's pretty easy. So now let's get to how we make a bow. Okay, so here I have my hair tie at this point. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make sure that those two ends look like they are pretty much even, and then I'm going to grab these two here and then make my bow. And don't be scared to squish the yarn, because you can always fix it afterwards. And now I'm just going to be fluffing my bow just to kind of fix that yarn. So like I said, don't be scared to squish the yarn, because you can always fix it at the end. And then when you feel that you are happy with how your bow looks, you can just go ahead and tie off these ends here. And then I'm going to show you what I did to be able to stick it onto my hair. So here's the original one that I made, and I had an old hair clip that I just inserted through the back like so. If you have something similar, or you can always get like a hair clip and hot glue it to the back, or if you have like fabric glue, that would work as well. But that is pretty much what I did, you guys. It's pretty simple. And you can also use this as like a hair tie, and then just tie it to your hair, or if you prefer the bow look. So I'm just going to show you how it looked like a headband, you guys. I thought it was so cute. So either way, if you use it as a bow or a hair tie, I think it's gonna look so freaking adorable. I really like how easy it is to make, and I hope you guys make one too. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram and follow me for more tutorials like this. You guys know I like easy and cute, so don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.